How to post on Twitter or X. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can post on the X app. So let us begin. First, make sure that you've installed the X app, and if you have already installed it, go to your app store and update it. After you've done all that, open it up. Now, to post on your X app, what you'll need to do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom right. Just tap on it and then you will see this pop up. Now just type in whatever you want, and after you type in whatever you want, you can even change the fonts here, but you will need to upgrade it to a premium one. You can add photos and whatever you want, and then simply tap on post, and after you wait for it, you will just post it on the Twitter. So as you can see right here, I've posted this, and that is basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.